Hey everybody, Cannon here from More Tech. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Align tool inside of TinkerCAD. So, let's say I'm trying to stack some boxes together. I've got a kind of large flat box, and then I've got a little bit smaller but taller short box. And let's say I wanted to stack this right in the middle so I can make a hole. You could try to eyeball it, but it's kind of difficult to get right. You can always just be a little bit off. So luckily, TinkerCAD has this cool tool called Align that makes it really easy to line these up. So first we're going to just drag over and select both of these. And then we're going to click on this button right here. It says Align. You can also click the letter L. And you'll see these dots show up. And these dots make it really easy to align things. So if I hold over this dot, it shows you a preview of what it will look like. So if I do that, click that dot, now they are centered in this direction. So the distance between this edge to this edge is the exact same as this distance between this edge and this edge. Now if I click this dot right here, it'll do the same thing for the middle. And just click off of it, and now it's saved. So now, that's perfectly centered. And in fact, I can click on that, I can turn it into a hole, I can select both of them and group them, and there you have it, I've got a square with a hole in it. So Align can do some other things, and it can work with other shapes. Let's say I wanted to make a wedding cake. And the wedding cake's going to start off kind of tall, and we'll try to make it close to the same size. It's okay if it's not. And then it'll get a little bit shorter. Make it a different color. So let's just go ahead and select both of these. Click on Align. And you can also align things in 3 dimensions. So you see these corner ones coming up here? This will align it in a different direction. So now the top of it is aligned with that. Let's say I wanted to make it the bottom. I can have the bottom aligned. We're going to have it centered. So select that again. Sometimes it accidentally clicks off. So let's just go ahead and center everything. So now it's centered, but we can't actually see the green one. There we go. Now we can kind of see it. But yeah, there's a lot of different buttons. They're like dots that you can click that just move it to a different part of the cake, a different alignment. And you can just kind of play around with these and get a feel for it. Overall, the tool is just super useful. You'll use it for anything that you kind of want to make precise. So yeah, why don't you go ahead and try to make your own wedding cake out of this using the Align tool. And if you have any questions, you can look up on the forums how to align things. So we're just going to select both of them, and now I can align them left and right. And you can also group things still. So yeah. Anyways, that's aligning, and I hope you have fun making your cakes.